Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn daily expressions and sentences about laundry. So, let's start today's video. The laundry basket is completely full.
Yeah.
The laundry basket is completely full. I gather all my dirty clothes. I gather all my dirty clothes. I sort my laundry by light and dark colors. I sort my laundry by light and dark colors. I check all the pockets before washing. I check all the pockets before washing. I carry the basket to the washing machine. I carry the basket to the washing machine. I open the washing machine door.
Red light for wash me.
I open the washing machine door. I load the clothes inside carefully. I load the clothes inside carefully. I measure the liquid detergent. I measure the liquid detergent. I pour the detergent into the tray. I pour the detergent into the tray. I add a splash of fabric softener. I add a splash of fabric softener. I select the normal wash cycle.
Normal?
I select the normal wash cycle. I press the start button. I press the start button. I wait while the machine washes.
The machine for one.
I wait while the machine washes. The wash cycle is finally finished. The wash cycle is finally finished. I take out the wet clothes. I take out the wet clothes. I shake each shirt before hanging. I shake each shirt before hanging. I hang the clothes on the drying rack.
I hang the clothes.
I hang the clothes on the drying rack. I use pegs to secure the clothes.
You heard Ray Boy? No?
I use pegs to secure the clothes. I wait for the clothes to dry.
Wait for clothes round.
I wait for the clothes to dry. I fold the clean t-shirts neatly. I fold the clean t-shirts neatly. I match the pairs of socks. I match the pairs of socks. I place the folded clothes in the drawer. I place the folded clothes in the drawer. My laundry is all done for today.
My laundry for today.
My laundry is all done for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.